Well, hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to separate and prepare broccoli the way I do it. I'm sure there's many other ways. Don't be afraid, experiment, try it. It's one of those veg, I absolutely love broccoli, the taste and the way it looks and the structure. I just think it's an amazing veg. The thing is though, when preparing, it always makes a mess. You will get crumbs and little things breaking off, so be prepared. Now to separate, oh, that one's already coming apart. You could roast that, but that's quite big and it might take a while to cook. You see this dried bit here? I usually chop that little bit off at the end. Most people say this stalk part doesn't have much taste, and if you have any leaves or anything else like this, you can just pull them off. So that's the big chunky one. We'll leave that one there. I like to go about here and chop it, but it's a waste, so we go about there. And you see how I'm going in away from my hand, and you just want to chop and separate. So we're just going to separate these now, and you'll see some of them are a little bit thinner. So you see that one's a lot thinner and smaller than that one. So that gives you an idea. There's so many veg in the world to try and experiment with. As you can see, a little mess there. Now, if you're into compost making, gardening, you can finely chop this and put it in with your compost making. Or you can finely chop it and put it in your flower beds, veg patch. It will feed the soil and become nutrients. So for roast veg, you could go that size, that size. So my biggest three are, I believe, probably those three. Okay, so you could go and roast those, but it'll take a long time and then someone might not want such a big piece. Okay, you could go for medium, that big, or you could go for small ones like this. So you see, now where do I put my broccoli in? Sometimes I have them boiled, so usually for boiled I go for pieces about that big, and for roast or curry or stir fry I like to go about this size or maybe a little bit smaller. Now how do you make it smaller? I'll show you. I usually cut mine long ways through the stalk, so it has some structure left for these delicate parts to still keep a hold on. That's my most favorite size for stir fry, and then it cooks quite quickly. Okay, beautiful people, finally the siren has stopped and I've also finished. So we've got really big, medium, slightly smaller, even smaller, and thin. This is how I do my broccoli, and hopefully it gives you guys some ideas of how you can prepare your broccoli for cooking. I hope you found this video useful and it helps you prepare broccoli. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want to see other veg and how to prepare, and if you need any help. It only takes a second and it's completely free, and it helps the channel grow, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on another video real soon. Bye for now.